Hey everyone, Rob here, and I have this footage that I'm really excited to show you that came out a couple days ago, but just wanted to sort of let it settle, make sure everyone was ready for it before I posted it. But it was this footage that is described as the Dettifoss of the eruption. Now, the footage I'm about to push play on was filmed by Daníel Páll Jónasson, and he was in the area in the morning just a couple of days ago, and he caught this. So it was August 26th in the morning. He was there. I believe it was his 27th visit to the eruption. So he's gone a huge number of times, even more than I think I have. And he filmed this. So like without further ado, let's hit play and watch how this goes. Now, he said, and this is a quote that he gave an interview with the news company Vísir here, and he said it was like standing by the orange Dettifoss. Now, if you know anything about Iceland, Dettifoss is one of these massive waterfalls here. It's a huge tourist attraction, and you can see exactly what he's talking about as he's filming it. Now, looking at where this is actually going, this is going down into the Nátthagi Valley, and we've talked about this before, where this valley is the one that has the, I would say, the closest path towards the road, and the lava has come down here before. Typically, though, over the past couple of weeks, it has gone into a different valley that is less threatening to the road. It takes a little bit longer to fill up all these other ones. One thing that I will say as we're watching this is it seems, according to the Facebook page of the University of Iceland Volcanology and Nature Conservation Group, they stated that the lava river that formed, that what we're seeing here, actually flowed over a dam that was built to stop the flow of lava. And we've talked a lot about these dams that are being built and people trying to direct the flow. And a lot of comments on if it's meaningless, if it's a test of how we can do this in the future, using this eruption as sort of the proving ground. But here's definite proof that nature will find a way and the lava will kind of ignore all of these barriers that we've been putting up. So very interesting to see. Again, thank you so much to Daníel for posting this. In terms of timeline to reach the road, it's still all up in the air. I mean, this eruption is changing directions all the time. It's starting, it's stopping. The flow of lava is changing. So there's no answer exactly on when we can expect it to hit the road, if ever. I mean, who knows? It could stop tomorrow, could stop tonight. But one thing's for sure is it's always changing and it's always exciting. So there's always something to look at. Good thing though is it's been raining all day in Iceland and there's been patches of fog on the webcams. But if we switch over and we take a look, nope, foggy again. Just a moment ago, I swear to you all, if we rewind this footage, it was clearer. So I would keep an eye on the webcams, see when things open back up, and we can see here, if we're scrolling through, there were areas that were, of course, better visibility earlier today at around 5 p.m. But you can see for sure that there is a lot of lava that we're seeing coming out of this eruption compared to the past couple of weeks, where the webcams, let's be honest, were not quite as exciting as they have been over the last little while. But again, the weather's not the best, and so if we go live, we can see exactly what that looks like. Here it is opening up. I knew it was opened up just before I started filming it. We are getting patches of fog and, of course, the rain. But you can see very clearly on this live feed that I have going, check it out, that the lava is still going pretty strong. Thank you to that person pointing the finger, and that's a good place to wrap it up. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Hope you check out the live stream, and I hope the weather gets better so that it's a little bit more enjoyable to look at. I will post a link to that Facebook video by Daníel so that you can take a look at that as well, because it is phenomenal and definitely something to check out over and over again. This is an amazing piece of footage on the live stream to end it. So as usual, if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe, share it with your friends, do all the normal stuff that YouTubers want you to do. So until next time, thank you so much.